Welcome to Marigold Lesson, One Little Kitten. In this session we shall recite the poem One Little Kitten by Caroline Graham and understand the meaning of new words.
One little kitten, 2 big cats, 3 baby butterflies, 4 big rats, 5 fat fishes, 6 sad seals.
7 silly seagulls, 8 happy eels, 9 nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants.
12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys, with 15 tails.
Well done. This poem helps you to know numbers in English. You counted all the way from 1 to 15. Now, we shall look at the meaning of new words. The word cat means a small animal with fur, 4 legs, a tail, and claws, usually kept as a pet or for catching mice.
Mr. Wiz example sentences are: I like feeding cats. Playing with cats is such fun.
The word fat means having a lot of flesh on the body.
Here are the example sentences. She is fat because she eats all the time. My uncle has a big fat tummy.
The word rat, a small rodent, larger than a mouse, that has a long tail and is considered to be harmful.
Here are the example sentences. Rats carry disease. A rat was sniffing around the dustbin.
The word sad means unhappy or sorry.
Here are the examples. I am sad as my best friend is leaving the school. She is sad as her cat died.
The word 10 is used to represent number 10.
Here are the example sentences. I have 10 storybooks with me. He ate 10 idlis today for breakfast.
Having learned the meaning of new words, now read the following sentence.
A fat cat saw a rat. Definitely rat is in trouble.
Yes. Now answer the following questions. How many kinds of creatures are there in the poem?
There are 15 kinds of creatures in the poem, starting from kitten, all the way to donkey's tail.
Are the seals happy?
No, the seals are not happy. They are sad.
Excellent, both of you answered well. With this we have come to the end of the session, Lesson, One Little Kitten.